people to get more interested in economy. But the younger people don't know so little about our culture now. You know, they are now so high tech that they don't know what is our history. And our museum is more like a treasure house of all the valuable contributions that old people before us have contributed, like in the field of industry, farming, oh my goodness, farming, fishery, and all those things. No, those kids don't know those anymore. They only know the cell phones and computers. They don't know how farming is done. They don't know the value of the carabaos. They don't know what is done in the farming. They don't know those things anymore. If you take them around here, very few of them have seen those things. You know. So that's what we are trying to do, is to bring back the old culture, preserve it, and so that our younger people can learn from them. They also learn the character of the Ilocano people, that we are sturdy, hardworking people, industrious, and very thrifty.